Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you. The Lord said, your enemies will encamp around you, but you will not be hurt, because it is I, the Lord, that will pronounce protection for you. I will protect you, I will deliver you from evil. I will surround you with my power. The enemy can do nothing except to run from you, because you have my light and you have my glory. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.